Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down almost 0.4% today. Not a lot happening today. So there was one interview with Christopher Waller, who's a Fed governor, that seemed to kind of kick off the market to the downside. And he was just talking about, the market is expecting a rate cut in March and 6 rate cuts for the whole year. And he doesn't see that. He doesn't see a need to go that early and maybe, that many rate cuts either. So it's been a fairly common refrain we've heard from a lot of the different Fed governors. I do think this will continue to be a story and contribute somewhat to the volatility of the market, as the market tries to guess, what's going to happen. The Fed has said that they're, in their dot plot that they're looking at, 3 rate cuts and not 6. So there's going to be a differential there. And listening to the Fed governors, it seems like they're more talking about the second half of the year, and the market's obviously talking about March. Now, the bet for the March, decrease in rates went from 80% today down to 65% after his comment. So, we'll see how that plays out as far as that goes. But I'm not expecting this, even though it will be a reoccurring theme, to be a really big issue. The fact is that both the market and the Fed is talking about lowering rates. That's what's important to the stock market. We'll have to see why. Is it a big recession that's causing that, or is it just deflation? Is it just things are slowing down? And whatever they're trying to do, that'll be important also to the market to see how this plays out. But so far, we're still just kind of bouncing off of this, high point that we established back in the beginning of 2022. And obviously we retreated from that some today, and we'll just continue to see what happens. It takes a while sometimes to get through to these new highs. I still think we're definitely, in track for going through there, and we'll see what happens after that. Because we've gone up there so many times, and even intraday on Friday we got through to the all-time high if it would have closed there, but it didn't. It retreated, of course. But nonetheless, that's what's happening today. I look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. I'll talk to you then. Thank you.